Hello everyone, we will install desktop wallet today. Because of this I choose Dogecoin and we will install desktop wallet. As you see here, there are many information and I'm going to Dogecoin website. Um, we have different options for install Android, Linux, macOS and Windows. I will install on Windows today. As you see here, 32-bit and 64-bit. Or other option like wallet. You can read here advantages or disadvantages and difference between two. Yes, it's okay. Um, we can check again. Run anyway. Next, next. Next and finish. Yes, default data. Yeah, synchronization is taking time, and I think it takes more than 2 hours. Yeah, we can hide and we can check here balance, transactions, 6 years and 4 weeks behind. Oh my god, it takes more than 5 hours. Yeah, I cannot wait this one for now for this video, but we can have a look here quickly. If you have money, no, we can start here. For example, you bought from exchange platform Dogecoin and you will send to your desktop wallet. You can create your desktop wallet here, and you can request payment, and other option is we have to wait for processing for synchronization. I want to show you after. Okay, and you can write here, for example, 1,000 coin and send me please request payment. As you see here, URL and your address, Dogecoin address and amount, and you can copy paste these address to exchange platform and you can send to your wallet. It is not difficult, but be careful when you are sending coins to your account. If, for example, if you have coins and you want to send to exchange platform or to your friends, you can apply to exchange platforms. Address here and label and amount. Just send, send button, and transaction fee will be 1 token for this action. And you can check your transactions here after that. Yeah, desktop wallet is this. Thank you very much. See you next time.